Do you clean your room once a week? Because you should. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Muskan, and if you're new here, I make lifestyle organizational videos. So if you're interested in more of these videos, please go ahead and check out my channel. Follow along for more of these kinds of videos. So in today's video, I'm doing a deep clean of my room. Once a week on a Sunday, I clean my whole house, but once a month, I try to kind of go through my room, see what needs an extra cleaning, see what needs more organizing, and kind of look through the things in my room and think about things that I should get rid of, donate, or throw away. Today's video, I go through that with you guys. I clean my whole entire room. I do this once a month because it honestly feels so good to have a clean space. It makes me feel so much better when I wake up in the morning and when I go to sleep at night, because having a clean room and having a clean space really clears up your mind, or it clears up my mind at least. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
This is what we're working with. This is the result of a very busy week, and I also kind of didn't clean up right after because I knew I was going to be filming this video. I have a bunch of laundry to do and a lot of other stuff, but first and foremost, we have to start with a good cup of coffee. I actually wash my sheets every week as well, and my pillowcases twice a week because I don't want to get acne, but this is me putting on my duvet cover. I had already washed it, but it is quite a hassle to put on. I need my boyfriend to do it with me. We just put the duvet cover back on, and now we are making the bed. This is my sweet kitty, Pebbles. Pebbles always thinks that making the bed means that we're playing. She thinks it's a really fun game. So believe it or not, every morning this is what she does. So making the bed takes a little bit longer, but it's always really fun because she is such a sweetheart. She just wants to cuddle all the time. So this is, it's really hard making the bed while she is looking so cute. Sometimes cleaning my room can be an overwhelming task because it looks like there's so much to do, but I always start with the bed because it's such a focal point of the room, and finishing my bed always makes me feel like I've accomplished a big task, so I recommend starting with the bed first. Then I move on to my vanity. My vanity is something I use twice a day, so it can get pretty messy. So I try every day to keep it clean, but things happen and sometimes it doesn't always stay organized. So the first thing I do is actually clean out all the hair from my brush because it can get very gross if you don't do that often enough. I actually take my comb and go through my brush with it, and that kind of cleans out the brush very well, and I recommend trying that if you have a hard time cleaning out your brush. And then this is my Dyson Airwrap, and I use that every day, and I try to keep it as neat as possible. Sometimes it's good to just, organize everything inside and give it a good wipe and make sure everything is looking good in there. I dust my whole house pretty often, but dust still accrues, so I recommend giving everything on, your desk or your vanity a good wipe. All the jewelry I keep on my vanity are things that I wear all the time, so typically they do tend to get a little bit messy, so I usually take everything out and then reorganize it just to keep things looking nice and organized. I forgot to mention earlier, but I use the Method all-purpose spray and a microfiber towel to wipe everything down, and when I do windows or mirrors, I use Windex and a different microfiber towel. My cleaning supplies always include Method products. That's because it's plant-based, non-toxic, and naturally derived. Overall, that's better for me and my kitties, so I highly recommend Method. I did a lot of shopping this week, so I had a lot of clothes to put away, and unfortunately I do this thing where I don't put away my clothes right away. I try them on, have a fashion show, and then I leave them on the floor. It's a really bad habit and I'm trying to work on it. But that's also a really big part of my cleaning process. I make sure that everything that doesn't have a home yet finds a home in my room. I recently did a really big closet declutter as well, so if you guys want to go watch that, I'll add that to the screen somewhere. In that video, I literally got rid of like 2 trash bags of clothes and organized and customized my closet to my liking, and honestly, it has been such a good way to kickstart the organizing series. Next thing I usually tackle is my side table. So my side table is really important to me because that is what I'm looking at when I wake up, and that is what I look at when I go to sleep. So it wasn't the most organized or pleasing thing to look at, so I really needed to make some changes to make sure it was clean and kind of minimized so that whatever I saw was important, peaceful, and overall calming, you know? So the first thing I did was wipe everything down. This is just a random tip, but be sure to clean your diffuser because it can get kind of gross in there if you don't do that often enough. Pebbles likes hanging out underneath the bed, so you'll see her coming in and out a couple of times. But anyway, after I decided what exactly I wanted to keep on the top and the bottom, I went ahead and set everything up. To organize all the cords, I took some blue tape and taped it down so that it would stay in place. I also take my Dyson and vacuum my blinds because honestly it gets dusty in there, and this Dyson is such a good thing to have when you have pets and you live on the first floor and you can get a lot of dust. So then I go ahead and make sure that, you know, all the cracks and crevices are also dust free. So just that little area accrued that much dust. I just think that's crazy. After I finish wiping and dusting, I go ahead and remove everything on the floor and give my room a good vacuum. Honestly, it feels so good to have a clean room, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean my room. If you guys like these type of videos, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.